How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is a mixture of mail call, surprise package in the mail, shop card shout out, channel shout out, and then I'll do a update on the truck Mr. Neiman Chambers sent me, the 56 Ford by REVELL, the vintage kit. And before I get started, as always, I want to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thank you very much. And if I can do it, you can too. I do it all from my phone. There's nothing to it, guys. Just got to step up to the plate and get her done. Like I said, thank all my old subscribers, new subscribers. You know, y'all been with me for a long time now. I really appreciate it. And anybody that I shout out in this channel, please go over there and subscribe to them. And I'll always, in the link below the video, you click on it, it's description, you click on it, and you go through there, and sometimes you might have to click more, and then they'll all come up. And I always have a link to their channels. So y'all always, you know, you get a chance, you go over there, you know, click on them. If you like their content, you know, give them a like, subscribe, share, you know the deal. Like I said, like, subscribe, and share this this video, my channel. You know, subbing's free, guys. Don't cost you a thing. It's free. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, I don't care. Just do something. Alright, guys, with that being said, I'm going to start this video off here first. I don't have a shop card for him. This is a brand new channel. Guys, he joined in. He's been a subscriber of mine for a while. And he joined in on the me and Mr. BG Brian. We have a you know, small scale group build, and it's in February. And he was one of them that contacted me and said, hey, I would like to be in this group build. I don't have a channel. And I said, sure thing, no problem. You just send me the pictures, whatever. Well, Mr. Jay Kessler has decided to do a YouTube channel, and now he's got a channel up. And like I said, I don't have it'll be in the description below. I don't have a shop card for him or nothing, but it's Slow Ride Model Cars. Slow Ride Model Cars. Please, guys, go over there, check him out, welcome him to the community. He's a new guy. He's been around for a long time as far as building models, but he's just gotten back into it. Just go over there, show him some support and love, check him out. And then, my mail call, I got, looky here, Rick Wyckoff. I got Rusty Rotors Model Car Garage shop card. This dude has been around for a long time, guys. He's a dang good builder. I mean, this dude is excellent. He can detail. I mean, this dude show quality stuff. I mean, just excellent. He's been around for a long time. He is new to the YouTube because he's been on Instagram forever, you know, all that stuff, which I don't do Instagram or nothing, but this is all I do. But he's got a YouTube channel now, guys. Please go check him out. And thank you, Rick, for the kind words. And yes, George is an amazing builder, amazing man. He's got a wealth of knowledge, been around for a long time, and I do enjoy going over there, and I do like sharing with y'all. He won't do the YouTube channel. I've tried, and hopefully maybe one of these days he will, but if not, I'll keep going over there and show you what's going on with him. He's such a good guy. He's been a friend of mine for like 30 years. Love the guy. And you know, he's been like a father to me in the model car world, you know. Known him for a long time through the clubs and everything, and love going to George's. But yeah, you guys, please get over there and check out Rick at Rusty Rotors. And dude, That's absolutely awesome. And he's got some good builds going on, and I love those Johan kits you got the other day, buddy. Build them. Everything deserves to be built. All right. And before I get to thanking a special buddy of mine, I got to show you, I got a mail call. I finally got one of these. I've been wanting one of these. I built a bunch of them when I was a kid, and it's just been kind of elusive to me, not been able to get a hold of one. This one here is not in the best shape. It's not been built, but the decals are super crusty, and the glass in it it's got a crack and stuff, but it was cheap for my budget, and I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it. I think this one here is from 73, maybe, but it's got this up here, so I don't know. It might be from the 80s, because I think they started a barcode in the 80s, but somebody tell me when this one come out for sure. But I know that's the 70s box art, I know for a fact. But these decals, I'll show y'all, they're shot. If any of y'all have an extra set of decals, man, that'd be surely appreciative, or could scan me off some. Look, they have been water damaged, and the instructions got stuck to them. They're just in bad shape. The glass has got a dadgum, you know, if you can see it through here. The glass is cracked up. That's the back windshield, just totally cracked. If I can't get something for that, I can sure probably just cut it out and make a back glass with something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But other than that, it's not been built. So that's a plus. Been wanting one of them for a long time, and I don't know if I showed this or not. This was from my youngest boy. He had, for my Father's Day, it's a late Father's Day, he got me this one right here. That is the Bruce Larson 1974 Pro Stock Vega. Thank God. I've been wanting one of them. I just hadn't pulled the trigger yet, and I'm glad he did. Thank you, Austin. And my son, this is the one that lives up in upstate New York. Love you, buddy. Proud of you. All right. Now, what this main video is about, I got a package in the mail the other day, and you know, some people do the you know, unboxing of the packaging on you know, on live or whatever, but I've worked for a week solid, 12-hour days. This is the first day off I've had, like I said, for a whole week solid. Normally my shifts rotate, but you know, I have to cover when people are off or whatever and stuff, and I have not had a time. And so I come in one day, and this was like, I got here home at 7:30 at night, you know, because I commute to work and I commute back, so you know, I'm gone. You know, I work 12 hours, but I'm gone a good 16 hours out of the day, if not 16 and a half hours out of the day, guys. And my wife told me I had a package, and I was like, man, I can't remember ordering anything, because I've gotten everything I thought that I've ordered, you know, and by God, I've got the box open here, but my buddy here, I ain't gonna show the address stuff, but I said, Tony LANTZER, you sucker. So he sent me, and this I absolutely love it, guys. He knows I love my small scale stuff, and y'all know I love my small scale stuff. I got a crap load of small scale stuff, and by God, I got this. He sent me this vintage pyro kit, and it is from, let's see, I can't see the date on the box on this one, but I know it's from the 60s. He sent that to me, never been built. Look there, guys. Vintage pyro kit. It's a Aston Martin, Le Mans Aston Martin, International Speedster, Tabletop Series 132 scale. Oh my God, dude. Thank you. Thank you very much. I totally appreciate it, Tony. You know, Tony's friends with other guys on here too, and Tony don't have a YouTube channel. And Tony, you really need to get one, buddy. I'd love to see your builds, man. And then, as Brian, Mr. BG would say, the coup de grace. This right here. You know, here a while back, me and Tony did some trading, and I got a flat box Johan 1964 Cadillac convertible off of him. Well, he decided I needed the box to go with that one, And it's not the car, but that's fine because I collect these old flat box Johan kits. And if any of y'all got any old flat box Johan kits and you don't want them, send them my way. My description's always in the thing below. But look what he sent me. I could not be happier. I'm like pig and swaller right here, guys. That's awesome. And y'all know I just built that model, that Johan kit, not too long ago. And I got a couple more of these models too. So, I mean, you know, there's more Johan models to come for me to build. I got a crap load of Johan. Y'all know how I love them. But y'all remember the one I did? I lowered it and I put the custom wheels on it and everything. It was beautiful. But check that box out, that box art, and look how nice it is. It's nice and crisp. And this one come from Amsterdam just like the other one did originally. 73 cents. Check that out. But he sent me the box and that was good enough. But he also had something in this box. He sent me an old monogram Jaguar builder kit. All the parts are there. Very little bit of it's been painted, just the interior and a few other little engine block parts and stuff like that. It's got the white wall tires. Everything's there. Hey, that's one heck of a builder right there. I love my Jaguars. I've got a crap load of Jaguar models from 8 scale to 124 to 132 to 125th. Love them to death, and it will get built. Tony, I can't thank you enough, buddy. I appreciate you so much. Love that you thought of me, and I'm going to tell you right now, I know you're a Ford guy. One day when I'm out hitting these antique shops and stuff and I get something old, it will be coming your way, buddy. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Well, I'm going to turn this around, and since I have not had no time to make videos and stuff, like I told y'all the situation with work, I'll just turn this around and show you what I've gotten done on Mr. Neiman Chambers. You remember he sent me this truck. This vintage 1956 Revell kit, original issue. And we'll turn it around and see what I've gotten done so far. It ain't a whole lot, but it's getting there. I'm just now beginning to start to wire the motor on it, the engine on it. And I got a few other things painted and I'll show you. And me and Justin from J Hart Model Works, we have had a buddy build going for a while. He just texted me not too long ago, the other day, and said his is done, mine's done. I just got to get time to make a video, so hopefully next week I'll get this video out and I'll contact him and maybe we can have them on the same day, which hopefully that's what we'll do, because that's usually what I like to do when me and him do buddy builds, do them on the same day, reveal them. Alright, I'm going to pause this and turn it around and show you what I've gotten done. Alright guys, and I'm back here and let's show you what I've gotten done so far. I don't know if I showed you this in the last video or not. I got the frame painted. Got it like a semi-gloss black. Got the rear end started. I might paint that drive shaft. I really don't know. I'm going to have to wait and see what I do there. The little gas tank will be painted. This is going to be carpeted. Then it will have the seats. Let's see. There's the seats. Door panels. And I got the bed. I got this one kind of in a flat white. I still got to paint inside the bed and do the rails. I'm going to put just a little bit of white pinstriping on it. Little hints of pinstriping here and there, like they did back in the day. There's the, still got to put a little bit of chrome foil, black around the windows, stuff like that. Yeah, she's coming along pretty good. I just got to get around to getting her done. I'm leaving the firewall and the fender wells white. When you open up that hood, it's going to be white underneath. Y'all see what I'm doing to tie that in. That was kind of old 50s, 60s thing to do. And then I might put a few sponsor racing decals on the firewall on the sides, just where I got to paint those up and detail them up. The steering wheel, steering column, I'm going to put a white band on the steering wheel, probably the spokes in chrome or something. I'll figure that out. On the engine, There's the engine. I just black washed all that bright chrome you can see there. And then I'm using white plug wires. You can see it's a magneto, so it's coming out of the chrome magneto. This is a show rod, so I'm trying to leave everything as chrome as I can, but put a heavy black wash on it to keep it is so bright. And for an old kit, that chrome is so bright. I just wanted it to kind of mellow it out. And then I think y'all can see what I'm going for too. Right here, the white plug wires, and the engine is the body color, and it's the dash will be too, body color. That Inca gold. Oh, me and Tom, we love that color. Like we said, that stuff's like Frank's hot sauce. That crap goes on everything. We got some exhaust. If I got to finish that up. That's basically all I've got done. I'm going to try to get a little bit more done on it today. Let's see, I got a couple other builds going on. I got the shop truck group build here, which y'all remember this. I have not forgot about it. I figured I'd mention that because I need to get some primer on it. If I get a chance today, or I don't know if I will tomorrow, to be the 4th, but maybe on my day off here or something, maybe I can get some primer going on this. Y'all remember the shop truck? I'm ready to get more done on it, but I'm going to finish Nemo's truck up first. Y'all remember my little bike here that I got the fender for, you know, that I'll get that done. That's going to have a Porsche engine in it. And then maybe today I can put my safety glasses on, get my Dremel out, and get outside and get started on this. Y'all remember all the flash on that. I hope I don't cut my fingers off doing it, but I got to get out here and get this body, start getting it cleaned up. It ain't going to take long to paint it, but get it cleaned up for, this is for Metal Mania TV, OKC over there in Australia. That is for his group build. Alright guys, I think that's about all I got going on. I'm so far behind on videos, guys, so if I haven't got to your video yet and you're like, where's Sean at? I will eventually get there, guys. Like I said, I told you my work situation. I've been gone, working a lot. I will eventually get there. Like I said, I'll get there. And happy 4th of July to all you guys here in the States. Like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. Check out everybody I mentioned. I'll be in the description below. Love you. Bye.